building is that? The bank?
I don't know.
Oh, is that building on fire? I'm gonna turn it in and watch it. I'm turning to this next lot. Make sure I can see what's going on. Oh, look at that building. Courtyard. Is that the doctor's office? That's not where we turn. Oops. Yeah, let us pass through. Oh, they got the cop. Yeah. And nobody's in the building.
Please leave your message for 4133
Oh, they're building.
6434
Take a picture, guys.
1.
The Courtyard Marriott. The Marriott's on fire.
Yep, the Marriott is on fire. Courtyard by Marriott. Look at all that smoke.
People all in the Marriott building. Flames all over. We could go back through here and look at it. Want to go back? But we can't look on one side. Can't see but one side. Can't see but one side. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Look, there's a fire truck going that way. Let's see if we can see around here. Look at the fire. The Marriott's on fire at over here in West Springfield.
Who are you calling?
Oh, the Courtyard. That's the Courtyard Marriott. It's on fire.
Who are you calling?
Talking to Teresa. But we can't see the fire from here. Oh, look at that smoke. It's on fire on the other side. Wow. I hope they get all those people out of the building. There's some more fire trucks coming. You got the voice on there?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, where's my... I can mine take a picture, but I ain't saying.
Hopefully it happens at my school so we can not go to school again.
Stop.
Hopefully it does. I don't want to go to school.
The courtyard by the Marriott is on fire. Get a fire truck.
It's a really windy day too.
Well, that water's gonna be coming on this side of the building because it started all down in this end here. So look at them people running in there. They must be in those They must be in those rooms downstairs. Look at this truck. This car coming the same way. There's some water be coming down after. Get everybody out. Wow. If it was on the other side of the movie theater, we went to the side of the movie theater, we could see the front side. Maybe they got the flames out. The flames, they look like they're dying down now.
Yeah, they're dying down now.
Wow. Get out of this building.
There's still a few.
Maximum length reach.
Oh.
To replay your message, press 1. To delete and re-record, press 3. For delivery options, press 4. To fax, press 6. To cancel this message, press star. To send now, press pound or hang up. To replay your message, press 1.
We saw
To
all the
delete and
flames.